Hey there, this is Ritik Chalse, and welcome back to another exciting episode of SimMeet. In this episode, we have with us Miss Veena Patil, a true embodiment of entrepreneurial spirit with a strong focus on hospitality and luxury tourism. She is the beauty brain and brawn behind the Veena World, one of the most leading company in the luxury tourism. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, namaste to all teammate people and students. Nice seeing you all.
First question which I would like to ask, how did you spend your time during the lockdown?
Okay, very nice question, and you will be surprised that I do not have time actually to get bored. That is what has happened. See,
Okay.
what happened is like on 25th of March, we all sat at home. Now it's
Yes,
more than 6 months, and we are enjoying. See, there is a kind of a worry definitely to each one of us about what's
correct.
happening around us. But then that was the thing which you can't control or avoid, and you have to be a part of it. So it was like from the very first day when we closed down all our offices for a temporary period, it was like, what's next? And then slowly we came to know that you have to deal with this now, and you have to live with this. And then such things happen, like now it's not in your control. It's always
Mhm.
better to go with the flow.
Ma'am, there is always a particular work culture in every office, every firm, every company. So, what is the work culture at Veena World, or how that how is a typical day at Veena World, and how it has been inspiring everyone all over the world? I mean, all of your associates, executives, ambassadors.
Yeah, very important question, I think, for all of us, for every entrepreneur, for every student, that culture is going to be a key
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
in the future, because whatever happens, culture will actually drive the businesses. Like, see,
Hmm.
business will get driven by people, definitely. People, speed, that is technology and all other things, you have to adapt with it. So people this, and speed will technology will give you speed, people will give you culture, but that culture
Hmm.
has to be cultivated. And then the
Correct.
knowledge. Okay, these are the three things I think which will lead businesses, and which will take to newer heights. And that is very important. And Veena World, that way, we are in the industry for last 35 years, but Veena World is new,
Yes, ma'am.
and it is just 7 years old organization. But what we decided at the very first beginning, because last 35 years we were cultivated in ethical practices, transparency, and every other things. But when
Hmm.
you look back, you find that this thing we might have done in the other way, or we would have done this in a different kind of manner. So when
Correct.
you look at it, and we see that, okay, now we have got a chance. So 7 years before,
Hmm.
we decided that people is our strength. People has made Veena World. They have built the organization, but culture is going to be the strongest point of our organization, and let's build that first. Like, we have one culture that is uh, यानी मराठी में ऐसे था, वेळेवर उठा, वेळेवर
Hmm.
व्यायाम करा, वेळेवर तयारी करा, वेळेवर ऑफिसला या, वेळेत काम पूर्ण करा, वेळेत घरी जा, घरच्यांना वेळ द्या, वेळेत झोपा, आणि पुन्हा ताजेतवाने व्हा. बिकॉज दिस इज काइंड ऑफ, इफ यू, बिकॉज टाइम इज really very important factor
Important
in
and
our lives,
precious.
and if we lose it, you are really losing out on yourself or ourselves. So we have to be very careful, and this is what we keep on telling each other, that, see, this is what Veena World is. Let's be open to each other. Let's value time whatever we have, because being
Mhm.
alive is the important thing we have got, and let's not actually spoil it. Let's true to
Mhm.
ourselves, true to that time, true to Almighty, and just make most of constructive things, whatever you can, with your life and with our lives and with our time. That is what is being actually taught.
I think that the culture which you just told right now has been very key point in the grow the growth of the company. So wow. So who was your mentor, or how that person has encouraged you?
Ritik, you have asked a very difficult kind of a question, because in the phase of life you follow many people, and this is the age where you cannot have one mentor like this. Because see, I follow Shivaji Maharaj,
Oh
uh,
wow.
and he was a greatest leader, and whatever has been written so far about him, on him, is really very inspiring, and those are very easy things you can actually follow. So I follow Shivaji Maharaj, that is one. Then I follow people like Stephen Hawkins. The amount of
Mm-hmm.
courage he had means nothing is impossible kind of a person. Means theory of everything, if you have seen, like uh, it is like it gives you so much of strength and energy that why you cry, why you keep on complaining. When this person created history, then you also can see. Everybody can't become or can't go to that height, but whatever we do, we can reach to
Hmm.
certain heights. And those kind of examples, then in this particular era, I think we should have many things. Like, I follow Tatas for ethical practices and culture. So I follow many people, and I learn from many people, because there is lot to learn and you have to improve yourself. And we are just, uh, kind of a
There is a
very
lot
small
to.
micro kind of a person, and you have to learn a lot. So I think that is the responsibility we carry, and we have to improve on that. So quality remains. Like
Hmm.
I have said, Tatas, they have built quality over the years, okay, with their care. What they have done in this pandemic for the doctors and for all those corona warriors, we have seen. They have set examples. For them, business is also a social cause. It's not always profits. So I think that is the quality, that is the
Hmm.
care, that is what such brands are showing to us. Okay, so I think hospitality, quality, care is bundled together. Means one cannot exist without other, I can say.
Hmm.
And that is what
Coexistence of.
it is. Yeah, they coexist literally.
Hmm.
And without care, quality will not be there. Without quality, means quality and care and hospitality and tourism will be there. And that is what we all have to build in our personality. If you don't feel care about your employees, about your suppliers, about your uh, whoever is within
Hmm.
that environment, I think people will not come to us. If you are promising something to your guests, and if you are not able to deliver, then that is not something which will give you a good night's sleep. And that is what we
Correct.
all have to be really careful about. And that is what I think hospitality industry is. Hospitality equal to care plus quality.
Wow. That is the formula which I got to learn today, that hospitality is equal to care plus quality. Ma'am, last thing which I would like to ask you, that how would you like to define Veena word on emotional question?
Very much. See, as I said, the profits, top line, bottom line, that everything will happen. But
Hmm.
in Veena world, like if a person is entering Veena world, he should learn basic human values.
Hmm.
If the person is perfect, if a person is really, emotional, means We don't ask for sympathy, but that empathy should be there.
Empathy is
That
important.
emotion should be there. If you are doing business with emotion, with empathy, I think you can travel miles. And that is very, very important. So if you see whatever communication we are in, whatever, it is always emotional. It is not something we are selling hotels or we are selling air tickets, nothing like that. We are selling something which is needed to the society, and very emotionally we do that. And because we do very emotionally are all things, I think we are on the right track, and we will be on the right track in coming years, and we will be sustained because emotional quotient is very high. And if you are emotionally strong, I think you can actually move the mountains. And I think that sometimes people find emotion is a weakness. No, emotion is a strength, and that should
So
be
I
very high. And I think we are like, I feel like we are a Vida world is like, it is emotionally strong, and also it is very firm also. Means emotion as well as statistics
right.
is blended together, and that is what the strength is. And that is why I find higher scale Vida world is all right now, and that is the biggest strength.
Right. I mean, being there are instances where you have to be practical, and that point, we know word has always
Yes,
been practical,
very
right?
much.
There are instances where you have to be emotional and where you have to bind people. Maybe the
Yes.
emotionality or the emotional question which Veena word has. So that
And it
can
should be
that
from within. It should be from within. It should not be like I have to bind the team, so I
have
have
to
to be
be
emotional.
emotional, right?
See, you can't be like that. It's very superficial, and
Hmm.
that doesn't stay.
Right. I mean, one thing which I would like to highlight is that being emotional is never a weakness. It is rather a strength which a
Yes.
person can have.
Yes.
And I think that is what everyone should understand. Like, there is a myth that being emotional is weak. I don't think that is a thing which everyone should. Being emotional can be a strength, right?
Yeah. And
So,
emotion has to be driven to constructive purposes. That
right,
is what it
correct.
is. Because see, depression, emotion can take you towards depressive kind of a nature
Depression,
also.
right.
There you have to be alert.
Have to understand,
So
right?
you have
I
to
mean,
channelize your
it should
emotion
be
is very important. Yes.
constructive emotionality is
Yeah.
what we
Yeah.
can say. I
Yes.
mean, leading to
Yes.
binding with people.
Right.
So, I mean, this was I mean, an amazing conversation which I had with you. So, we
Thank you so much, Ritik.
thank you
Yeah.
so much, ma'am, for joining with us today. Symposium is very glad to have a guest who showed us a lot of things, a lot of teachings, a lot of learnings which we can look forward to and adopt in our lives. And I'm sure that everyone who will watch this video will end on a better note than the moment before he has been in his life.
Thank you so
So thank
much.
you so much, ma'am, for
Yeah, it
joining
should.
with us.
Yeah, it should do that, and that is the whole purpose of, I think, VIIT.
Thank you so
Yes,
much,
good.
ma'am.
So all the very best. Yeah. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
ma'am.